Yun. Hindi ko palitan yung background. Green screen. Can you... Do you know, Jared? What?
All right. Hi, Jean. Hi, Jen.
Hello.
Mute yata kayo. Wait lang.
Ayan.
Jen?
Nakamute pa.
Nakamute?
Nakamute pala ako. Ay, sorry. I'm good.
Wait lang. Marinig. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you. Ako,
Oo. Dinig naman kita.
ayun.
Hello?
Yan. Dinig naman.
Ayan. Yeah. Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome sa ating part 2 ng Microsoft Excel literacy. 101 training, no? So, live din kami sa YouTube channel, guys. You can subscribe sa youtube.com tapos Excel Hub yung name ng aming YouTube channel. So, kamusta kayo? Sa mga viewers
Absolutely.
natin, anyone here na nakapag-attend ng aming part 1? Sino sa inyo yung naka-attend ng part 1 training? Guys? Ayan. So let me know or let us know sa comment section kung nakapag-attend kayo ng part 1 training namin. So I have with me Jen and Jeannie. Ayan. So sila yung mga trainers na Excel Hub. Ayan. Pakilala naman kayo.
Hello, happy Saturday to everyone.
Happy Saturday.
Happy rainy Saturday.
Oo nga, maulan na. Ayan.
Oh,
So, Jen and Jean will be assisting me sa training today. Ayan. So, sila yung mga trainers na Excel Hub. So, before kasi nagpa-facilitate kami ng mga training sa mga offices, no? So, we are being invited in different offices sa mga companies. Yung last namin na client was Soler, kaya lang ayun dumating si pandemic, kaya nag-stop yung aming mga corporate training. So we're gonna provide free training right now para sa mga zero background sa Excel. This is for you guys. Yung mga zero background at saka yung mga beginners pa sa Microsoft Excel. So, yung mga nakapag-attend ng part 1, ayun, very good kayo kasi you guys, I think, received a certificate, no? That time, nung nag-Google Meet training tayo. So, ngayon naka-live yung ating part 2. Pa-share naman po ng aming live session kasi every webinar, we are giving away free Linda access, yung aming online course. So, gandahan ninyo yung caption kasi sa caption ako nagbe-base kung sino ang winner. Ayan. Alright. So, while waiting for the others, we still have mga 3 minutes before we start. Sige, interviewin ko muna yung mga trainers natin. Ayan. Jen, i-share mo naman sa mga newbies natin sa Microsoft Excel kung ano yung experience mo in learning MS Excel. Syempre, hindi naman tayo agad experts na kaagad dun sa Excel, no? So, how did you start learning Excel and paano ka eventually nag-grow doon sa skills na yan?
Okay, so just to share lang a bit about yung experience tsaka siguro yung journey ko towards loving Excel is I started off syempre when you graduate in college, wala pa naman na masyado experience. So siguro nagsimula ako sa mga small bit jobs like data entry, yung mga ganon na parang or parang record keeping in Excel. Eventually, nag-evolve ako from that into learning parang database management. So parang ganon, data entry, cleaning your data. Laging ganon yung naging sabihin ko parang base point ko. And then eventually, when you're collecting data and trying to clean up your data, you eventually learn to parang ano pa ba pwede kong gawin dito? Ano pa bang pwede kong ma-improve or ano pa yung pwede kong ibigay sa data na meron ako? And then eventually, you explore and then you get to learn some simple formulas. And then gusto mo nang dumali yung buhay mo, you get to move to intermediate and up until na, it really is depends on your interest. If the interest is there, you will research on your own. So hanggang sa eventually, natuto din ako mag-aral ng pivots, graphs, eventually. And then that really is a breakthrough naman for me to understand more of dashboarding and data visualization. So doon ko na-realize na, ay, ito pala yung gusto kong gawin. Kasi parang even if you're spending too many hours staring at your numbers and digits and letters, nakakatuwa siyang gawing picture. So parang ganun. Ganun yung journey ko. And then eventually I had fun doing it. And what's the best way to get paid if you're doing something that you love? Being paid for something that you love to do. So yun yung payoff ko. So eventually ganun. And then I handle simple projects. Tumatanggap ako dati ng mga like $10 project lang, small time. And then eventually you learn from that. When you learn from that, eventually you get excited about natutunan mo, you apply it to the next project. Tapos yun na, parang ganun yung naging learning and improving step process ko towards what I really wanted to do in Excel.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan.
Ayan, yes.
Your turn, Jean.
Yes, yung sa akin naman, ganun din, pagka-graduate, kasi accounting grad, so no choice ka. Yun ang kagad na makikita mo eh. Pagdating sa work environment, Excel kagad. So, merong isang boss na parang meron siyang inintroduce na, hindi ko tanda, I think yung pivot table. Hindi ko siya boss. Boss ng ng kaibigan ko, ng ibang section. Pero, tinuruan niya ako. Ganito yan. Yun. So, habang tinuturuan niya ako, siguro, nakakatawa kasi yung magturo eh. So, dun na-pick yung interest ko na, ay, ang galing naman syempre, di ba, fresh grad ka, wala kang kalam-alam sa Excel. So, natuwa ako. Ayun. So, from there, nag-explore na ako ng Excel, tapos hanggang sa napunta ako kasi nung nag-change ako ng jobs, hindi siya yung priority. Umalis kasi ako sa accounting field, napunta ako sa IT. Pero, anong tawag dito pero dahil kasi alam na may ganun akong background, so yung mga peers or yung mga mas senior sa akin na mga na staff, pinush nila ako na ito, mo nga to yung mga reports ng team ganon. Hanggang sa yun nga ang ending, gumagawa ako ng reports for higher management na. Parang isang kami noon eh. Tapos hanggang sa yun nga ako yung naging housewife na after that. At ito Excel hub na.
Ayun. Thank you, Jean. So, ayan guys, no, you actually have an idea na kahit na hindi ka dedicated na puro Excel lang ang ginagawa sa work, kadalasan sa kahit na anong position, halos gumagamit ng spreadsheets, no? Kaya importante din yung you guys have advanced or average background sa Microsoft Excel. Kasi minsan yan ang kumakain sa oras natin. Pero Jen, kay Jen, ano yung naging support system mo, or parang are you more on self-study or more on, kasi yun ang binibigay na challenge ng boss mo kaya you can't even say no, kaya inaaral mo talaga yung reporting?
Hindi ko na-catch.
Sorry. Yun, more on self-study ka ba or more on maraming binibigay sa'yo na challenging Excel task kaya natuto ka talaga?
It's actually a mix of, halo siya, mix of both. Kasi tama, pag naman pumasok ka sa trabaho, as in, so minsan nga wala pa talaga eh. I mean, nung nagsisimula ako, parang zero. Tapos nagsimula ako na parang, sige, mag-record ka ng man hours ng maliit na staff. So, record ka lang. And then eventually, parang, I think way back, hindi naman ako nag-books. Hindi naman ako nag-books. Pero, way back, meron yung kung ano yung minana mong process, kunwari from a previous employee, kunwari may existing na sila, data gathering, ibibigay nila sa'yo yun, ituturo. So it's more of like, ano yung natutunan mo sa current company na pinagtatrabahuhan mo. And then at the same time, along the way, you get to research talaga. Siguro, I would say 60% or 70% more on self-taught. Nagre-research ako ng formula na hindi ko maintindihan. Ang pinaka-base ko is mas malaki nga yung edge ngayon eh, 'di ba? Mas malaki edge ng mga learners ngayon kasi they can always like type in Google. So parang ako, it's a mix of research and at the same time yung tinuturo sa office na kung ano yung existing nila na process, tuturo nila sa'yo. Now, if ikaw naman, parang you get excited with the current process na meron yung kumpanya, you get to improve it kasi parang, baka naman mas mapadali pa yung trabaho ko para umigsi yung oras ko para more time to daldal. kasi gawa ko na eh, parang gano'n. So, yun, yung
Correct.
it's more of like, pag talaga interesado ka na matuto or madagdagan pa, yun, dun nagsisimula yun.
Ayun, I agree. All right. So right now we have 70 plus viewers. I think we can start na. So guys, si Jeannie muna ang magpe-present. Meron kaming mga na-download na materials from Microsoft Office 365. So we can share naman the files with you later on. Pero I would like you guys to please focus on the discussion muna. So, i-ano nyo muna, do not disturb nyo muna yung mga phones ninyo para hindi kayo distracted. Tapos, I know we have a lot of distractions, no? Pero, thank you and congratulations in advance sa inyo kasi you are trying to spend a lot of time for learning new skills. So, advance congratulations na sa inyo. Na-sacrifice ninyo yung Netflix, no? Ayan. So,
Siguro lang naman.
yeah. Yes. So, good job kayo guys dyan. Ayan. So, yeah, Jean, take it away.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Teka. Okay, just checking. Okay, so just to start off, dito sa Microsoft Excel, kasi usually, based on experience, yung mga office mates ko, makikita ko sila mag-add na yung puro plus, plus, plus lang. So, sa Excel, meron siyang formula na to sum or to add yung certain numbers na hindi mo na kailangan puro plus, plus, plus kasi makikita, pwede kang mag-add ng mga cells na may numbers in a range. Okay, so as you can, ito ang isa sa mga ways, one of the ways that you can do it. So, let's see. It says here, select the yellow cell under the amounts of fruit. Ito yung, nakikita nyo naman, ano? Yan. Alright. So, if you type sum, ang objective natin is to add all of these. Yung amount for apples hanggang lemons. So, what we do is type yung equal sign, then sum. As you can see, meron na siyang, si Excel nagbibigay na siya ng suggestion kung anong formula ang pwede mong gamitin. So, type ka lang sum. Ayan, nakita mo na siya. And then, open parentheses. And then, you can either type yung cell address, which is D4. Ito, this is D4. Tapos, and then this is D7. So, type ko lang po ulit. Type D4 and then colon and then D7. Then close and then press enter. So 170. Another way to do that is pressing yung Alt key, yung alternate key, and then yung equal sign. Alt muna and then yung equal sign. So I'll try it here on my end. I'm pressing Alt and then equal sign. Ayun. So pag yun ang ginawa ninyo, automatic na siya. Si Excel, ibibigay na sa'yo, ito ba ang tinatry mong i-add or i-summarize? Yan. So you can just press enter. And then it will give you the total. Now, pwede, nag-evolve na kasi si Excel din. Meron na siyang sum if. So parang gusto mo lang i-add yung ang mga criteria over 50. So, type mo lang sum if, ayan. And then, select mo yung D11 to D15. By the way, you can highlight yung cells by click and drag. Tapos, since we just want yung larger than 15, so open parentheses, yung greater, dito ako nalilito talaga eh. Greater than sign, sorry. Tapos, 50, close parentheses. Always close your formulas with a close parenthesis and syempre open parenthesis para mag-start. And then, press enter. 100. Kasi dalawa lang naman sila ang 50 and above. Sorry, less than. I'm so sorry. Less than yata to. Sorry, my bad. Only numbers above 50. So greater than, sorry. So ito lang siya. Alright. Tapos may additional info si yan. Additional test. Ang instructions ni Excel is but add amounts that are less than 100. So same. If range is yung kung ano yung cells na i-check niya. Tapos ang criteria is less than. So yung less than sign, this one, less than 100, 100, close. Alright, so 160. So ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay. Alright. Para mas maintindihan pa yung sum function. If you would see this, if the sum function could talk, it would say this. So sum up the following values found in cells D38. Sana ito, si D38 kasi D38, D39, D40, and D41. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng colon. So, from D38 to D41. Ayan, D41. So, ganun siya. Kasi may iba na nalilito rin sa sum eh. Dun sa, another way pa pala, aside from yung mag-a-add ka ng ganito yung magkakadikit na cells, pwede rin yung iba-iba eh. Yung nasa iba-ibang lugar yung mga cells mo. Katulad nito. Ito. D48. Sinam niya yung itong cell na D48 plus yung mga cells na nandito, G48 to 51, plus nag-add pa siya ng sarili niyang value which is 100. So ito yung formula, I'm not sure if nakikita yung formula bar, pero ito yung formula na nandito. Right. So yung si D48, ito si 20, siya ay tinatawag na cell reference or yung cell address or name ng cell. Single cell lang yan. So, pag range, yung katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung magkakadikit na cells. Series of cells na may start and end. Tapos, yung C100, parang constant value ang tawag nila doon. Yan yung mga pwede mong i-sum or i-add, ilagay dun sa sum na formula. Okay. Regarding sum if naman, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, isa-sum up niya yung isang range of cells given a certain criteria. Sorry. Tapos, sum of the values based on this criterion, look through these cells, D73 to D77, okay? And hanapin lang yung greater than 50, which is nag-iisa lang siya, si 100. Ayan. Okay? So, We'll go to the next step. Right. Sorry. I-zoom. Ayan. Zoom ko lang para makita. Okay. Di ba, minsan pag gumagawa tayo ng formula, minsan series yan eh. Yung, not series, I mean, parang gumawa ka ng formula, pero kailangan mong i-apply sa iba pang rows no yung formula mo kasi meron kang isang data set. So, aside from control C, control V, or minsan gusto mo gumawa ng yung 1 2 3 4 5 na sunod-sunod na numbering, or ABC, or yung months January to December gusto mo mag-type para madali buhay mo, para hindi ka na mag-type ng ganon. Meron si Excel na yung pang-fill ng mga cells para doon. So, dito muna tayo sa simple. I-fill natin na yung itong mga cells sa ilalim ng 100. So, para makuha mo yung fill function, pag highlight mo na or kinlik mo na yung cell na gusto mo, ilagay mo yung cursor mo dito sa lower right nung cell. Tapos, di ba na iba, kanina ganito. Puting cross, tsaka malaki. Pag nilagay mo doon, magiging double cross na maliit lang. Tapos color black. So, i-drag mo lang siya, drag down. Ayan. So, naging increments of 10. Kasi nag-fill down ka. Ayan. Tapos, yun ang tawag doon pagbababa, fill down. Tapos, kung gusto naman pakanan, pwede rin. Ganun ulit, ilagay mo yung cursor mo doon hanggang sa maging black double cross. Tapos, drag mo to the right. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, nag-fill, yan, ayan na siya. So, nag-fill siya to the right. Okay. Alright. May keyboard shortcut para doon, para mag-automatic fill down. So, select mo lang lahat yung first cell na kung saan meron yung data na gusto mong i-fill, tapos i-select mo yung and the rest of the blank cells na gusto mong i-fill up. Tapos, press mo lang yung Control D. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. Alright. So, more on filling, ito yung pwede rin naman yung ika-copy mo yung cells, yung information. Imbis na Control C, Control V, pwede rin yung fill ang gamitin mo. So, ganun ulit. Dito tayo kay Produce para i-fill pababa. Ayan. So, ganun din. Parang copy-paste. Tapos ganunin din natin si fruit. Ayan. So, another way to copy and paste pag mga words. Kasi pag mga numbers, ganito yung ginagawa ni Excel, nag-increment siya. Pag words or text, parang copy-paste ang approach. Pero nga lang, nag-fill ka. Now, paano pag series, yung sinasabi ko kanina, like, months, or meron kang week 1, week 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito. So, pag yung months, sample natin, i-drag ko siya to the right. Yan, makikita nyo, I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo, pero merong pag nag-drag kayo to the right, makikita nyo meron siyang parang preview kung ano yung ilalagay niya dun sa cell na yun habang hawak nyo pa yung nakapress pa kayo dun sa cursor. Yung hindi nyo pa binibitawan yung mouse. So Feb, sabi niya dun sa E lalagay daw niya Feb. Sa F lalagay daw niya March. So yun pa lang alam nyo na kung anong gagawin ni Excel. So pag nirelease nyo, ayan. So January, February, March. So kasi meron si Excel na parang anong tawag doon? Meron siyang list na built-in na list na sinusundan for months, numbers, yan. Kaya nade-detect na niya. Ay, ito pala ibig niyang sabihin. Siguro ito yung gusto niyang gawin. So, ayan. Tapos, like this one naman, week 1. Okay. So, ito-try natin mag-fill down. Pero this time, imbes na ida-drag ko pababa, ang gagawin ko, i-double click ko yung maliit na yan. So pag nag-black double cross na, double click ka lang. Ayan. Isa pang way din yan to mag-autofill, mag-fill down. So, ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, nag-fill out siya week 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, nade-detect na niya yung kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. So, yan. So, try naman natin to. 1, 2, 3. Oop, yan. Ito nga pala yung autofill options. Yan. Scroll ko lang to the right. Oh, sorry. Yan, para makita nyo. Yan. Bibigyan ka niya ng options kung ano yung pwede mong gawin. Di ba, in-autofill na niya. So, tama naman yung information na binigay sa'yo. Kaso, minsan ayaw mo naman na yung, let's say, yung formats. Let's say, ayaw mo yung may mga, yung underline, yung border, sorry. So, pwede mong i-select yung fill without formatting. So, ang gagawin niya, aalisin niya. Pero yung information, yung data, yung text, nandun pa rin. So, you can choose whatever, yan, pwedeng yung format lang inano. Yan. So, you can choose whatever that you need. Bibigyan ka naman ni Excel ng options for that. Okay. Right. Just another sample, just like this one. So, pag kunwari, kasi ang increments ni, ano tawag dito? So, si Excel, yun nga, sabi ko kanina, may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na numbering na siya. So, kumbaga built-in na yun sa kanya. So, let's say meron kang sarili mong increment na gusto. Na like this one, 15, 30, by 15s ang pag-increment mo sa numbers. So what you do is you highlight yung cells, yung adjacent cells na yan, na meron nung information mo, 15 and 30 like this one. Pwedeng patagilid, pwedeng horizontal, pwedeng vertical to ha. Tapos you drag. Yan. So magi-increment siya by 15. Ayan. So, 15, 30, 45. So, ganun ang gagawin niya. If you would change this one, tanggalin ko to. Let's say, yung sample na binigay niya, 1, tsaka 1.8. So, by 0.8s. So, ayan. So, ganun din. So, nadedetect ni Microsoft, ni Excel, kung ano yung increments or kung ano yung tinatry mong gawin. At syempre, susubukan niya na ibigay sa'yo. Right? Next step. Alright. Minsan meron tayong information like this one, email addresses. Minsan gusto mo lang makuha yung let's say yung first name or yung last name, ang pwede mong i-type manually lahat. Paano kung 100 items yan? So, merong function si Excel na, again, na-detect niya na tapos ibibigay niya sa'yo yung option na parang, ito ba, okay, ito ba yung tinatry mong gawin? So, what you try to do, let's get the first name, which is yung the word before nung mga dots, mga periods. So, type muna natin Nancy. Nancy. Okay. Tapos, when you try to type, yan, for the second row, kung makikita nyo, meron ng parang A pa lang yung natatype ko, pero nilagay na niya yung NDY. Tapos, sa ilalim, may makikita kang gray na box na parang binibigay na sa'yo na ito ba yung mga susunod mong i-type? Like yung si Jan, si Maria, and Yvonne. So, once na nakita mo yan, all you have to do is press enter. Automatic i-fill na niya. If you're satisfied with kung ano man yung option na binigay sa'yo ni Excel. Since yun naman ang ating goal, to get the first names, then just press enter. So, same din with dito sa last name. Ayan. But this time, let's use yung mga ribbons, yung mga icons ni Excel. So, let's go to Smith. Ayan, yung cell na Smith E5. And then, let's go to Home. Fill. Yan, ang hirap pag maliit ang ano mo. Ayan, Fill. And then, Flash Fill. Ayan. So, ganun din. Same din, automatic niyang kinuha. Alright? By the way, yung keyboard shortcut, sa mga mahihilig sa keyboard shortcuts, Control-E para mag-flash fill. Yung imbis na pumunta ka sa home and then you look for fill and then flash fill. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. So, okay siya, no? Kasi maganda yung flash fill. Yun nga, if you have a lot of data that you have to separate, yung mga first name, last name, mga phone numbers, yan. So, another way para makapag-extract ka ng information or data from a cell na lahat ng data ay nandun, pwede rin yung gumamit ka ng text to columns na function ni Excel. So what we do is to highlight lahat ng cells na gusto mong i-separate yung mga information. And then you go to text to columns. Nandito siya sa data tab. Data tab, tapos ayan, ito. Text to columns. Ayan. Now, meron kasi siyang dalawang options. So, just make sure na delimited yung pinili mo. Okay, then click on next. And then, select mo yung comma. Uncheck mo yung tab. Kasi by default, tab yung naka-check eh. So, tanggalin mo lang yun. Select mo yung comma. Pag sinabi kasing delimited, parang ito-chop-chop niya yung data based dun sa kung ano ba yung pinang-separate mo dun sa information mo. In this case, comma, if nakikita nyo, ayun siya, oh, Nancy, Smith, Contoso Limited. So, comma ang pipindutin. So, ito, may preview na siya. Ayan. So, Nancy, so sa isang column, Nancy, isang column, Smith, isang column yung Contoso Limited. So, just click on next. Tapos, dun sa Ayan, tapos click on general. Make sure na by default ito naman yung naka-check, but you can choose others. But this one is fine. Okay na yan. Tapos sa destination, kasi by default ang gagawin niya, ilalagay niya yung extracted information mo sa same cell kung saan ka nag-highlight, which is ito, C32. Madalas naman tayo, ayaw naman natin i-overwrite or patungan yung existing natin. So, i-move lang natin dito sa D32. Ayan. Para makita natin lahat ng information, hindi ma-overwrite. Tapos, click on Finish. Yan. Wala naman data. Anyway. So, ayan. So, ayan na siya. Hiwa-hiwalay na siya. So, ito si Nancy. First name, si last name, and the company name. Alright. Yung iba, formulas ang ginagamit to split a cell or yung mag-extract ng data. Move ko lang po ito para makita ninyo. Woohoo! Sana. Oops, sorry. And this is the best. Okay. Ayan. Dito muna. Ito yung information. This one, yung nasa cell C56. And then, gusto mong i-extract ito kasi yung first name, middle name, and then last name. So, what you do is the left function, which is extracting the information starting from the leftmost character, which is yung Y.
Excuse me, Jeannie. Yeah, sorry. We can skip this part. This is a bit heavy for them. Sorry, hindi kita na-inform.
Okay. It's okay.
Yung mga bandang taas lang na topics.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright,
thank
no
you.
problem.
Sorry.
It's okay. Alright, so skip na natin to. Okay. Teka, punta na tayo sa transpose. Okay. So, pag nagta-transpose, it just means na itong information mo, 'di ba, ito horizontal siya. So gusto mo siya naka-vertical yung sabi mo, ay hindi ganito yung gusto kong presentation. Pero ito na yung information mo eh. Ito na yung meron ka. Gusto mo vertical kasi hindi nagwo-work para sa'yo. So what you do is highlight mo lahat sila and then copy mo, Control C. Okay, and then punta ka dun sa kung saan mo gustong ilagay yung information mo. And then, go to home. Click mo yung drop down ng paste. Okay. And then, yung paste special, ito. Punta kayo dyan. And then, look for, saan na yun? Transpose, ayun. Put a check on transpose and then click on OK. Ayan. E di naging na siya, vertical na siya. Kasi sometimes meron tayong gantong information, hindi madaling basahin minsan. Minsan mas madaling basahin yung vertical. Oops, sorry. Ayan. Para in tabular form na siya. Okay? Keyboard shortcut, Control Alt V para makapunta sa paste special. Okay? Tapos next is ayan. Yung pag-filter. Meron ka ng data. Tapos gusto mo naka-sort siya, let's say by department alphabetically, or let's say gusto mo makita yung sino yung pinakamataas ang, I think this is sales for October. So you can always sort your data. So what we can do is go to home, and then sort and filter, sort A to Z. Always put your cursor dun sa kung saan mo gustong i-sort. Kung anong gusto mong i-sort na column. Let's say, for this one, department. So, dapat nasa department column yung cursor mo. Kasi kung hindi, kung saan man siya naka-point, dun siya magsusort. So, sort A to Z. Alright. So, nag-sort siya alphabetically for department. And let's say, ang gusto mo naman yung sa December, from largest to smallest. So, punta ka sa December column. Any row, basta nandun ka sa loob ng December column. Say dito. Tapos balik ka doon. So, sort and filter. Largest to smallest. Ayan. So, si meat. So, nag-sort din siya. Tapos, let's say, ang gusto mo naman mangyari ay, kunwari, napakarain nitong data mo. Gusto mo may specific ka lang makita. Pero ayaw mo naman, syempre, hindi mo naman i-delete yung data mo. So, what you can do is you can enable yung filter option. So, always, just put your cursor anywhere inside your data. Go to home. Sort and filter. At tapos ito. Yung filter button. Tapos makikita nyo, meron na siyang drop-down. Dito. Ayan. So, hanapin natin si, ano sabi niya, bakery. Alright. So, uncheck lahat and then put a check on bakery lang. Ayan. So, itong bakery, nilabas na niya. Right? Tapos, kung gusto mo makita na, bumalik ka na ulit or makita mo na ulit yung lahat ng information mo, click mo yung drop down, clear filter from department. Ayan. Okay. So, now I will give the floor to Jen.
Ako
Siya
na ba
naman.
kagad? Bilis naman.
Ito naman, nasobrahan nga ako ng pag-iisip.
Teka, nasa na ba yung StreamYard? Ayun.
Close
Ayun. So,
ano, ikaw mag-share ng ano mo, ng ganito?
sige, mag-share naman ako. Check ko lang uli yung viewers natin. I hope. Okay naman. Nakaka-catch up naman kayo. Or may, kumbaga parang na-dig nyo naman yung lessons. Lessons talaga yun, no? Parang classwork. Lessons natin for today. Para maka-move tayo. Comment naman kayo kung ano, good so far. Kung everything is all good. Ika-share akong screen.
Sige, stop ko na ito yung sa akin. Yan.
Madami pa naman yata tayong oras eh. Pwede pa natin silang daldalin. Silang daldalin. Daldalin talaga eh.
Oo.
Ayun. Sige, open ko lang. So, I will mag-pick up ako where Jeannie left off. Pero yun nga, check ko lang muna sa inyo kung kamusta naman. Okay naman. Masaya yung sort and filter, di ba? And everything that Jeannie discussed. Kasi masayang-masayan lalo na pag ang ililista nyo, kunwari, grocery list. Let's just say, hindi naman kayo nag-work. Pero naglilista kayo ng mga gastusin sa bahay. 'Di ba? Parang okay, kunwari, anak number 1, ito yung mga pagkain na gusto niya. Tapos gusto mong i-sort. Ako tas kasi mag-grocery ka. Ako sa maraming times sa buhay ko when I was still starting a family, naglilista ako ng lahat na expenses eh. So yung mga tabs ko, January, February, March, ganyan, every month. So it's really applicable. I mean, hindi kailangang parang gugustuhin mo lang si Excel kasi may work ka. You'll start at home eh. You'll start with the basic ones. Dati ang Excel, ginagamit ko rin yung checklist ko ng things I want to achieve at the end of the year. kunwari, double deck, refrigerator. So, maraming Excel is like parang kasama mo siya sa pang-araw-araw mo na pangangailangan. You don't know pero you do. It's actually useful. Listing all your expenses in Excel and checking it, let's just say at the end of the month, sinong anak ko ba ang pinakamaraming gastos? O, ganun. So, parang ganun. Yung budgeting. So madami siyang use. So, yung sort and filter, very useful yun for record keeping or parang, yun nga, kunwari, paglilista nyo ng mga expenses nyo, start from there. Lalong-lalo na sa mga wala, parang zero pa talaga. You start from, doon kayo pwede magsimula. So, moving on naman. So, I hope everyone can see my screen since Jeannie explained sort and filter. Na may example dito. Nagutom ako. Beef dessert. Saktong-sakto sa sinabi ko, di ba, expenses. Ang mahal naman nito. Pang ilang pamilya ba to? $90,000.
Ay,
Napatawa ko
nag-share
kayo.
screen ka na ba? Ay, sorry.
Nakashare. Ay, wala
Ay, wala
pala.
pa.
Paano ba yun? Paano ko malalaman
Minsan
kung naka-share na yung screen ko? Pero nakasabi na,
Ako kumukulog.
paano ba ako
Ayan.
Rox, naka-share na ba ako?
Hindi pa eh. Meron sa baba, share screen nakalagay.
Teka, stop sharing muna ako. Tapos, share ko yung screen ko.
Oo. Tapos
Share
dapat
screen.
magtatanong kung
Screen.
anong i-share mo. Yun.
Oo nga, ang dami ko kasi naka-on na monitor. Sa aking your entire screen. Wag naman. Screen 1. Screen 1.
Meron sa baba, share screen nakalagay. Sorry. Ako yun.
Na-click ko na. Hindi pa rin.
Wala pa rin.
Wait, saglit nga. Baka gusto niya full screen. Teka, miniwan ko lang iba. Kaso, liliit yung view kasi baka hindi ko mapakita. Nakakonect kasi yung... let me try it one more time. StreamYard. Pinapipili niya talaga ako eh. Sige na nga. Mapipilitan kasi akong tumingin. Teka lang. Ito na lang. Ayan. Shared na.
Wala pa.
Rox, we need the help. Bakit
It's not
hindi ako
showing.
mag-share?
Oo.
Not showing. Pero nakalagay naman dito, stop screen.
Ba't
Teka
kaya?
lang.
Sige.
Silip naman ako.
Sorry guys, ayan na. Sorry.
Ayan. Ayan. Yes.
Kaso nandito sa
There,
kanan, harap lang ako. Okay. So, ayun nga, going back dun sa topic namin. Gamit na gamit daw sa pagbabudget na expenses. See? Very useful. Yun. So, since nakapag-explain si Miss Jeannie ng sort and filter, which is very, very useful. Lalo-lalo na nga yun pag nagdi-list na kayo. Which is also applicable din sa work. We will go naman ngayon sa table. Sa table, well, basically si Excel naman talaga is like a table, di ba? If you would, meron siyang boxes and lines. So, it's basically a table na rin in itself. Ang maganda lang dito, meron si Excel na table feature, which masasabi ko na napapadali niya na dadagdagan niya yung pagpapadali ng mga buhay niyo. Lalo na pag nagja-jot kayo o pag nagsusulat o nag-a-add kayo ng mga information sa Excel. So, ayun. Walkthrough ko lang kayo dito sa table feature. So, ang pwede niyong gawin, so if babasahin natin to, table gives you special features and convenience. Yan, convenience. It's easier for you to use this instead of like Normally kasi pag gumagawa tayo ng table, to 'di ba? Ang Excel is yan na mismo eh, table na yan eh. Lakayan ko lang ng konti para mas ma-appreciate niyo ng konti. Ay, 'di ba? Excel is already a table eh. It composes of cells and lines. So pag kung magsisimula kayo from scratch, you will put your heading, kunwari name, address, di ba? Diyan naman kayo nagsisimula. So, anong kaibahan nitong ginagawa nyo sa table feature na already? Si table feature kasi parang preset na siya. Pwede ka pang mamili ng design if you wanted to create a table. And then also has a parang format feature para sa'yo. If you want to choose, gusto mo makulay, gusto mo medyo may arte-arte, gano'n. So maganda si table. Apart from the aesthetic or yung visual na nakikita mo, meron pa siyang ibang feature which we will discuss later. So ayun, ang pwede mong magawa based on this instruction is click inside the data. So nari ito yung data mo. Makapag-lista ka na. Very simple, very basic yung listahan mo. You go to insert table. Click mo lang to. Yan. And then, isa-select niya yung actual data na meron ka. Kung nakapaglista ka na ng data mo, expenses mo, or tinda mo, kunwari, October, November, December, nakita mo parang running lines yung Excel, it auto-selects your data. So, when you click on OK, di ba? Ginawan kanya, in-auto format niya yung listahan mo for you. And ang maganda pa doon, you have this section, if makikita mo to dito sa taas. Ito yung mga pwede mong piliin na table style. So, kung marami kang oras, di ka nagmamadali, yan. Pwede kang mamili dyan ng iba't ibang table. Pwedeng ganyan ang itsura kung gusto mo. Kung gusto mo naman makulay, ganyan, di ba? High-tech yung mo, pag hiningan ka ng asawa mo, asa yung gastos natin for the day? Eto, pakita mo yung Excel table mo. Bongga, makulay. So, ayun, ano pa ba? Pero yun nga, work-wise naman, if you're in a corp world or you're a freelancer, I prefer simple naman kasi easy on the eyes. Kumbaga, mas madali siyang ma-appreciate ng titingin if you're doing report. And may mga boss na metikuloso, gusto nila simple lang. So, yan, you can change your table style. So, ito lang yun. Dito ka lang pupunta. And then, yeah, so that's one way of inserting a table or making your data into a table. Isa pa ditong advantage is, kunwari, trend ka na eh. Meron kang header, department, category, and then months. Meron ka ng trend. So, ang gagawin mo lang, kunwari magdagdag ka ng another list. All you need to do, teka lang I hope I'm right, is click on tab. Notice when you click on tab, ando natin andito ka sa pinaka-last na cell na naglagay ka ng entry for December. Let's just say, naglagay ka for December. If you click on tab, pupunta na siya automatic dyan dun sa start ng line mo. Kumbaga para kanyang ginaguide sa susunod mong entry. Which is much easier for you. So, kunwari, magdadagdag ka, ano ba maganda? Vegetables. Ay, hindi, yun na pala yung produce. Ano ba? Ano ba magandang i-add? Bakery, dairy, meat, produce. Sige, kunwari, lagay na lang natin eggs. Category. Ano ba yan? Department. Produce na nga lang. Kunwari, produce ulit. Tapos eggs. So, yun. Madali ka nang maglagay ng data. 25,000. Nakita mo, ang nangyayari kasi, yung format ng data before the line, kinakopya niya lang. So, kumbaga si table, parang pina-format niya sa'yo yung, listahan mo according to previous entries or almost the same as the previous entries. So, ayun. So, now, tapos yan, di ba? If you have this list, whatever you have learned in add, you can have you can calculate dito sa ilalim ng table mo. But there's a much better way of doing that, which we will discuss dun pa sa iba nating lessons. Ito, calculate columns in table. Teka, pantayin ko lang. Okay. So, naglagay ka let's just say nag-add ka ng total column dun sa table mo. Diba? Ito yung table natin kanina. And then you you have it until December. And then you decide na maglagay ng additional column, which is yung total. Kasi gusto mo nang makita, gaano ba yung total ko sa produce, magkano ba yung total ko for each line. So all you need to do, if you want to make this a calculated column, is to select the cell under total, which is this one, and then press on Alt, and then equals. See, hinighlight niya kagad yung October, November, December, kasi yun yung mga columns mo na merong value. And once you press on enter, lahat yon ika-calculate niya para sa'yo. So that's how table setup or the table feature works to your advantage. Galing, di ba? So yun yung isang way ng paggamit ng pag-calculate. Pwede mo rin dito lagyan ng teka, let me try average. For the sake of trying lang. Wala, gusto mo average. 'Di ba? Ay, wag na. Pinapahirapan ko kayo. Mamaya na natin yung i-discuss. pero yun nga, we'll go to the basics muna. So yun, 'di ba? Ang dali lang. Kumbaga, it's easy. Kinlik mo lang yung alt equals, nag-total na siya lahat. So kung meron ka pa ditong ibang months, ika-calculate din ni total yun. Okay, meron siyang experiment feature dito. Sabi, after putting in the calculated column, try typing over one of the cells in the column. What happens? If you see a green triangle, click it, then click the exclamation mark. You'll see the Excels watching out for you. Okay. What does he mean? Okay. So, kunwari nag-type ka dyan, napansin niyo yung green na triangle? Well, aksidente. Supposed to be this column is to compute your total for all the months. For some reason, biglang nag-type ka na ganyan. Makikita mo kagad na meron siyang error message. This will alert you. Na parang merong something wrong dun sa table mo. So what you can do is you can just click on this. Click on the cell na merong green. Kita niyo yon, yung green na small green on the upper left-hand part ng cell. So you can click on that and see what does Excel is trying to tell you. Pag kinlik mo to, sabi niya, inconsistent calculated column formula. Restore to calculated column formula. So if you just accidentally clicked it, you can, pwede mo nang piliin to. Kasi this means that whatever was deleted, ibabalik niya lang. So, yun, restore. So, di ba? So, that is how Excel is being helpful on you and your table, your data, and your entries. Okay, so total rows in table. So we move on to the next additional topic. Total rows. Instead of typing, sabi dito, another convenience in tables are total rows. Instead of typing a sum formula, Excel can make the total for you with the flip of a switch, and then the same goes for the average. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung average. Okay. Sabing ganon. Okay. Ngayon ang gagawin natin is total and average. So sabi dito, syempre, hindi naman sa lahat ng oras you want to know the total. Gusto mo rin malaman ano ba ang average na gastos ko for this month, di ba? I already know na yung total, pero ano yung average ko? So, what we do at the top of Excel, table tools design. Okay. Hindi ko ito masyadong ginagamit. Click, on the tab, click total row. Okay, ito. So, kunwari, dito ako. Tapat ko dito. Ayan, di ba? When I click on total row, nag-total yung para malaman mo kung anong ginawa nung Excel when you click on total row, you double-click this. And it will show you a formula na sinab-total niya yung sales mo for your department by category. So, yung total sales mo, basically. So, yun yung isang advantage, di ba? You are now able to view yung total mo. Eh, ngayon, apart from knowing the total, you also gusto mo naman malaman, ano ba average ko? So, you can just flip this. See, when you click on that arrow down button, meron kang option, binigyan kanya ng lakihan natin. So, you can see. Yan. Okay. So, when you click on this drop-down list, meron kang iba-iba yung pwede mong piliin. Pwede mong piliin average. So, gusto mo malaman yung average ko for all these expenses. So, if you click on click ko na yata. Yan. So, ayan ang average ko, 3,000. So, see how easy it is for kung gaano kadali yung table feature ni Excel. It gives you what you need to know nang mabilisan lang. Of course, there's a long cut for this. Pwede mo rin siyang i-formula, pero wag mo na pahirapan yung sarili mo. If you want to know yung total and average, this is the best. This is one of the best way. And then you can do the long cut na lang kung gusto mo pa mag-explore. So, yon. After the tables, we move on sa drop-downs. Isa din to sa mga paborito kong gamitin. Gamit na gamit to sa akin. Sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Drop-downs, okay. Okay, si drop-down, pinapadali niya yung data entry mo. Imagine if you have a data that has, say, more than 10,000 entries or kunwari line 1 to 10,000, kailangan mo mag-data entry. So it's a bit tedious, 'di ba? Especially if parang paulit-ulit naman yung step na ginagawa mo. So si drop-down is another feature ni Excel. Drop-down list makes data entry easier for people. So we want only 3 departments. Sa example natin, we want only 3 departments names to be valid entries for each of the food on the right. So, ang department mo, produce, meat, and bakery. Tatlo lang, di ba? So, instead of, imagine like typing every time, apple, saan ba to? Produce, o si beef, meat. Imagine if you're gonna be typing it every time. Di ba, medyo tedious, especially if you're handling large data. So, para mapadali, we have the data validation feature. The data validation feature allows you to click on a list. Okay. Tingnan natin. On the data tab, click data validation under arrow, click list. In the sort, okay, so sabi dito, since we only have 3, pwede na natin tong i-type eh. There are different ways kasi of doing data validation. You can, okay, if you right-click here, you go to data tab, make sure nandito ka kasi dito ka magsisimula ng pag-identify or pagka-categorize ng list mo. Inom lang ako. Forget. Okay, so since you'll be putting or categorizing, kakategorize mo yung listahan mo, dito tayo magsisimula. On the data tab, ito yan, you go to data tab, and you go to data validation. Ito yung data validation shortcut. Meron din siyang shortcut dito actually, I think. Ay, wala. Sorry. Alam ko meron eh. So, dito ka na lang. Dito, mas madali siyang hanapin. So, data tab and then go to data validation. Click on data validation and then click on allow. Nandito ka dapat sa allow. And then you can click on list. Madami yan actually, pero dito tayo sa pinaka-basic. Ito yung pinaka-madali nyong magigets. So when you click on list, there's also another way of parang pagse-select ng source nyo. Pero ang pinakamadali, since sa example natin, we only have 3 departments. So you can type in produce, comma is always your separator to identify one department or one category to another. So always make sure you have your comma there. Then meat, and then bakery. Yeah. So tatlo lang. Ay! Sorry guys. Monitor cranky. Ayan. Sorry. Okay. So, tatlo lang naman yung ating department. So, when you click on OK, notice, nagkaroon siya ng drop-down list. Okay. So, nagkaroon siya ng drop-down na feature. So, when you click on that drop-down, then, you don't need to type. You can just choose between the options na in-indicate nyo dun sa data validation. So, si Apple ay isang meat. No, sorry. It's a produce. And then, okay. Siyempre, since dito lang tayo nag-indicate, pwede mo namang, dilitin mo na natin yan, pwede mo na rin din niyang i-copy. When you see this, okay, you have different plus icons, or if you can say parang pointer every time you select. So you have this, yung arrow na parang may arrow sa dulo. You have this plus. This, I think, is like selecting the cell. And you have this. Pag nakita mo yung plus na yan, na plain, na walang arrow sa dulo, pwede mo kasi siyang i-drag and you can copy that data validation na ginawa mo up to the last line. So that only means na every time you, ayan, lahat na sila meron sila ng drop-down list. So when if you go here, instead of typing produce, meat, and bakery, you can just hit on the drop down and then piliin mo lang. So produce, si beef ay meat, and then si banana is produce ulit. 'Di ba? Ang dali kaysa magta-type pa tayo. Bukas na tayo matatapos. Paano kung 10,000 yung ano mo? So it's one way of buying you some time and making your job easier. May mga humahabol. Oo naman, habol lang kayo. Go lang. So, ayun. So, that's how data validation works. Tapos sabi dito, best practice for drop-down, use a table. Well, ako talaga ito, as I said, gamit na gamit ito, lalo na sa database management. If you're maintaining large sets of data, this is naman for those who are already working. If you want to simplify yung mga tables nyo, and kunwari yung iba naman na nagsisimula pa lang and may mga boss kayo na metikuloso, kung nag-work kayo sa isang e-com, and you're starting, yung mga learnings nyo about the basics ni Excel is very, very useful. So, yun. Sabi dito, if you wanted it to maging mas efficient yung ano nyo, yung data validation nyo, always use a table. Bakit mas madali ang table? I'll show you how. Kanina, when we had an example, 'di ba, ang data validation natin, okay, I'll select this cell. I go to data, I select data validation. And then I have a list. So let's just say yung list mo, yung department mo, dadadagdagan. Syempre as you go along, it's not a fixed, hindi naman siya fixed na listahan eh. Nag-e-evolve naman yung listahan mo, di ba? So let's just say, ito yung listahan ko. Okay. Para ma-appreciate nyo. I'll make a data validation here again. So ito, data validation. I select data validation. Sa allow section ko, pipiliin ko list. Ay, sorry. Tama ba list? Tama, list. List pa rin pala. Pero, hindi na ako magta-type. I-refer ko na to as my source. Okay. So, pag nakita nyo tong area na to, do not close this pop-up window. It will stay there. Click mo lang yung loob ng source and then click ka dito sa labas. And then, sorry. I have to do this pala. Ayan. Okay, let's do it again so you can appreciate it. Data validation, and then you select on list. List. And then yung source mo, click this this one on the right hand side. It will ask you to select a range. So ito yung range ko. Dagdagan ko yung range ko kasi mamaya may gagawin ako. So gusto ko, ito yung range ko, produce, meat, bakery. And kaya ako nagdagdag, kaya ako siya nilakihan just in case, I'll show you something later on. So pag na-list mo na yan, hit mo lang yung enter. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, yung source mo, ito. So when you click on OK, and then you do the same on this, hinapin natin yung yung data validation. Ayan na siya. Kumbaga parang you are maintaining a table, a department table wherein you reference your data validation to this table. Anong essence noon? Bakit hindi na lang natin gawin yung katulad ng ginawa natin kanina na nag-list tayo, nag-type tayo? Kasi may instances na nadadagdagan yung department mo. Kunwari, gusto ko magdagdag ng department na appliances, kunwari lang. At saka ano pa bang department ang pwedeng apparel? Kunwari lang. Kahit na hindi siya related sa mga pagkain. Pag nagdagdag ka sa department mo, and then yung range mo is nakaselect dyan, pag pumunta ka dito sa data validation mo, lalabas na rin yung additional department na yun. So that's how, or that is why the best practice for drop down is this. So imagine if you're gonna be, kasi tignan mo if kunwari maglilista ka lang ng data validation mo dito. Kunwari, yung data validation mo, tinype mo. Pag nag-type ka dito, chances are, hindi siya makaka-capture nung data validation mo dito na sinet. So, mas maganda talaga na yung data validation mo is referring to a table or a list of na parang range. So, I hope na nagets nyo kung yung importance and ease, o kumbaga kung bakit mas madali na isa-set up mo yung drop down mo or yung source mo in that way. Yung pa isa, people put their validation list like this kasi para hindi siya ma-mess up din ng iba. Lalo na if you're sharing sheets with different people or different coworkers, it's best na parang nakaiwalay ito. Ako ganun ako gumawa ng sheet. I always have a helper tab. Lahat ng sources ko nasa helper tab para yung pinaka-main table ko malinis siya. So yun. So that's how drop-down list works. I hope meron kayong natutunan. Again, useful to para sa mga grocery list nyo. Yan. So now we move on to analyze. Parang di ata ako nag-review Ano ba tong analyze? Okay. We're actually moving on to parang hindi man advanced, pero ito na yung ina-analyze nyo na yung data na ginagawa nyo. So it's not just like typing in your data, putting all your details. Now, with the data bars, if we're gonna if I'm gonna discuss more about analyze, para ma-appreciate nyo naman ngayon yung list na ginagawa nyo. Lakihan natin para makita nyo. Kasi nakikita ko sa screen maliit. Yan. Okay. So here's how to analyze data. So you can spot pattern. Para saan ba? Bakit ko kailangang aralin yung pattern? Basta alam ko yan ang gastos ko for the month. Bahala na. Diba? Pero the reason why you wanted to do patterns is to identify yung trend. So if you're kumbaga a housewife or a mom taking care of your family at home, useful siya kung kumbaga parang gusto mo makita yung trend. Kunwari, gusto mo makita yung trend ng gastos mo, saan ba kami magastos? Saan ba kami maraming ginagasta? So this is like a good way of identifying it. Okay, so we go back to our main data. Parang sabi nga nila, ayan, sabi, it's called the quick analysis button. It gives you, okay, how to analyze this, we can spot patterns and trends quickly. This is actually a basic way of doing graphs na rin eh. Okay, so let's see how it works. Click and drag to select all cells on the right. Okay. Asan ba to? Data bars. Ayan. Sinelect mo yung list mo, di ba? So basically, you're selecting your data. If you click here, you click this on the, it's a quick analysis. Kasi table to eh. So meron kang quick analysis tool to quickly and easily analyze your data with some of Excel's most useful tools such as charge, color coding, and formula. So click natin yan. Tignan natin what will it give us. Okay, sabi dito sa instruction, kiliin natin yung data bars. Then cells under October, November, December. Ayan. Nakita nyo ba? Nung sinelect natin yung quick analysis option and we select on data bars, actually dami mong pagpipilian, no? Merong colors, icon set, greater than, top 10%. You have a lot of formatting to choose. Kung saan ka mas masaya. Kung ano yung mas makulay, doon tayo. Hindi, just kidding. Ayan, ang dami niya pang feature, di ba? Pwede kanyang bigyan ng chart, pwede kanyang bigyan ng totals. See, ang dami niyang analysis na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo. Depende na sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong makita. Di ba? You have the table. O, may na yung table. Sparkline din. But we go back to formatting. Sa data bars, what does it tell us? Diba? What does this tells us? It gives you an idea. If you're gonna look at this, ang dali na mag-compare eh. Oh, okay, so, noong October, na Pasko, siguro December, Pasko, maraming kinain na chicken, tsaka beef. Nakita mo yung blue, ang laki nung, ano niya, ang laki nung colored bar niya. It's because you have more expenses or you spent more on meat or on beef specifically nung December. Siguro kasi Pasko, maraming bisita or maraming handa. So yun yung nabibigay ni quick analysis mo. You can actually turn this into a graph if you want. Pero pinaka-base mo is allowing you to see, it allows you to see or to give you a quick analysis. So imagine if expenses yan. Ang dali mong makikita kung saan ka magastos and kung saan ka mag-a-adjust in the following month, diba? So, yun yung, that's how the data bars or yung quick analysis tool works. So, pwede na, pag ayaw mo na siya makita, you wanna go back to your basic table, you just have to clear your sheet. So, you select that, and then you have formatting, charge, total, sparkline. Actually, sa formatting lang pala, ito. You just go to the clear option, and then maki-clear na kagad siya. Okay? What else? quickly make a chart. You can always use the insert tab and create a chart. Merong, okay, so there's two ways. Yung kanina, yung pinakita ko, na all you need to do is select your data or your table, sorry, you quick analysis and then insert chart. You could select chart and then you could select on chart. Yan na kagad, voila. Kumbaga parang you can have your graph that easy. And another way, that's one way. Another way is if you don't want to do the quick analysis tool, you can just select anywhere from dito inside your chart. Right click, ay sorry, sabi dito, control, select control on your keyboard and then control Q. Select all lang pala yon. And then you go to this, you still go to this feature and then you can select your clustered chart. Actually, ang dami mong chart na pwedeng pagpilian. Pero if you want to see the whole, we'll go to this one which is a very basic chart. Ayan na. So, yan na yung chart mo ng expenses mo that is referring to this data. Diba? So, you have series 1, 2, and 3. Actually, yung series 1, 2, and 3, I think that's October, November, December. So, teka lang let's do it this way. Gusto ko lang makita. We're gonna do charge, select cluster. Ayan, much better kasi kanina nakita natin series 1, series 2, series 3. But this time, we have October, November, December. So that means lahat ng blue, October yan. O, orange, ito naman yung legend nyo. This is your legend. For those, I hope not everyone is new to graphs. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, and this is your legend. Legend tells you each bar represents it represents a month. So, kumbaga sa table natin kanina, sa table natin kanina, ano ba yan? Hindi ko ma-move. Wala kasi akong mouse. Yan. Gusto ko lang ng konti para lang makita nyo. Ayan. So, October, November, December. So, ayan. Makikita mo na yung trend. Noong October, tumaas ang pangangailangan ko sa bread nung, hindi, tama ba? October, November, December. Oo, tama. Mataas yung needs ko sa bread nung October. Nung November, sa dessert, magastos kami sa dessert nung November. So, anong month ang may pinakamataas na consumption mo ng beef? December. So, yon, it really tells more about your day. It tells a story. Sabi nga namin, when you, pag halimbawa, you decide to move forward sa pag-aaral na Excel, a graph always tells a story. So, that's how, this is how you quickly make a chart in Excel. So, di ba? If you have a table setting, napakadali niya lang. Yun, so I hope you learned something about this section on how to make a chart. Next, we move on to how to make a spark line. Parang madali lang to Napakita na natin to kanina. So again, ganon, you control, select anywhere inside your table and then click on Control Q. Lalabas na yan, automatic. And then you go to the spark line feature. Dami mong pwede pagpilian. Pwede rin siyang line, pwedeng column, pwedeng win or loss. Sometimes ako useful sa akin yung win or loss. Kasi pag nakita ko may red, kasi tayo, as a person, we respond more on colors, as what I have learned. So, kung bakit yung spark line mo, may red, kunwari lang may negative dyan pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, win or loss. Let's just say, although entry to eh. So, it's most probably hindi ka naman mag-enter ng negative. Pero kunwari lang, negative 20,000. Nakita niyo yun, nag-change yung spark line, naging red siya. So, kung calculation yan, let's just say total yan, tanggalin natin. Kumbaga parang, basta yun. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Na parang kung negative, makikita mo kagad yung red. Not, for this example kasi hindi siya ideal, pero kunwari meron kang table na may mga negative value, dun mo ma-appreciate yung spark line ng positive at saka negative. Kasi makikita mo kung kailan yung win or loss, kailan ka kumita, kailan ka nalugi, or kailan ka abonado if you're talking about expenses. So that's how spark line works. Ayun. So next, I hope you learned something about analyze. That very useful siya for those who are learning. I hope madami kayo natutunan on that particular topic. Okay, so we move on to charge. Charge na tayo. Okay, charge recommended for use. Okay. Ay, balik tayo dito. Si chart, para lang din siyang expanded na learning nung kaninang ginawa natin sa analyze. Ito naman, mas meron kang control. Kumbaga parang kung ano yung gusto mong itsura ng chart, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng available na ibibigay ni Excel, gusto mo. So, meron naman siyang chart feature wherein you have the freedom to explore kung anong gusto mong itsura ng chart mo. So, let's just say this example. You have 2015 to 2020 attendance list. So, sabi dito, we click on insert and then we click on recommended chart. Ito yon. When you click on recommended chart, nasa labas tayo. See, nandito kasi ako, so wala siyang mabigay na chart. So make sure you are inside. You don't need to double click naman. You just have to kailangan lang yung cell mo nandyan sa data mo. So balik tayo sa insert and then recommended chart. See, okay. So this is what was given. Ito, pwede na tayong mamili dyan. Piliin natin yung clustered column kasi ito yung pinakamadali. And then click on OK. Okay, so yan na. Meron na tayong basic chart which gives us our attendance value throughout the year. So from 2015 to 2020, ito yung trend ng attendance mo sa conference na minanage mo, inattendan mo, or yes, whatever. Yun. So that's how simple it is to create a chart. Tapos ang tip dito, we can add a trend line. Okay? A column chart appears showing total number of conference attended per year. So, bahala ka na kung how do you want that to look like, kung gusto mo siyang, kasi pag kinlik mo to, when you click on your graph, you can actually see designs here. Yan, pwede ka maglaro, you want to change the look of it, it's up to you. Pero yun nga, the more simpler it is, the better. Kasi always remember you want to, nawala na yung basic chart ko. Yun nga, we wanted to express, alisin muna natin yung. Ayan. Let's make it simple muna. So that's how our data simple. That's how simple our data is. Sabi, we will add the trend line. Pwede natin siyang lagyan ng trend line, meaning, gusto mo lang makita yung trend throughout the years. So, select the chart. And then, on the chart tools tab, sorry. Paano na nga ba yung trend line? Okay, eto. Sandali lang. Lumaki lang gusto na makita. Okay. So how do we add a trend line? So when you click on your chart, La, hindi ka na mahanap yung trend line. Hindi ko
Jen,
kasi
you
siya
can click yung plus sign sa gilid.
alin.
Yung plus sign sa gilid. Yung nasa corner, yung may plus
Ito,
symbol. Corner ng chart.
hindi
Yes,
kasi
Jen,
masyadong
you can click.
ginagamit eh. Ayun. So, thanks for that, coach. When you click on your graph, you click on this plus sign and it will give you your trend line. So, pag click mo yan, iba-iba pala to. Linear forecast, 2-period moving more option. Pero, you just select it and then it will give you a trend line like that. Okay, so that's how you put in a trend line on your graph. Chart pala, sorry. Okay, tapos on the chart tool tab, click design, then click add chart element trend line linear. Ito pala. So yan na yan. That's how you add your trend line. Okay, next is horizontal and vertical axis. Yan, like what I have mentioned kanina, the basics of identify or understanding yung chart nyo or your graph nyo is ito, I'm sure everyone naman naturo to sa school. This is your y-axis or yeah. The x-axis along the bottom is called the horizontal axis and the y-axis, ito pala yung y, sorry. The trans up and down is called the vertical. So this is your vertical y and this is your horizontal x. So we're just discussing more about yung axis nung graph nyo. Secondary axis. Sometimes kasi, hindi naman limited to, like yung data na example natin kanina, we only have like 2 columns, di ba? We have the year and the conference attendance value. So you only have 2. Hindi naman limited dyan lang yung data natin. So sometimes, may mga situation wherein you wanted to have a secondary axis or a third column. Paano mo papakita tong tatlong to in a graph, 'di ba? So meron din si Excel na feature na ganun. It's an additional value axis that can show different values than the other. Kasi kubari napakita na natin yung 25 to 2020. And then you wanted to show lahat sila gusto mo makita sa graph, 'di ba? So that's when a secondary axis comes in. So sample natin to, mabilis na. If you select this and you click on recommended chart, meron kang option dito sa baba. Saan na 'yun? Actually ito lang muna pala. Saan na yung combo chart? 'Yun, sorry. Combo chart. So if you select this combo chart, you'll produce the same graph like that. So yung date mo is still column. Yung conference attendance mo is tama ba? And then your food sales is your secondary axis. Ay, dapat hindi kasama si conference attendance. Or hindi pala kasama si date. Anyway, for the sake of this sample, it's actually not the same and the same at the same time. Pero what I wanted to show lang is how that does the combo feature works. So etong graph nyo, yeah, it shows your conference attendance in orange and your food sales during the okay, wait. Alisin natin to para makopya natin to mabuti. Kasi it pertains to value pala. Chart. Combo chart. Ayaw ng ganun. Sige, ito na nga lang. Bakit hindi lumabas yung year? Tama ba ako? Gusto ko kasi eksakto dun sa example eh. Insert chart. Yan. That's supposed to be, dapat year pala to. So it's actually practically the same nung example na nandito. But what we want to see is yun nga, your number of attendees and ilan yung food sales in every attendee. So that's where the combo chart plays. Kumbaga parang you can if you use the combo chart, you have the option to make your other data be your secondary parang your secondary trend, parang ganon. So, kung gusto mo siya ng line, pwede. Kung gusto mo siyang gawing column, pwede rin. Pero syempre, kung gusto mo talagang makita yung trend ng data mo, gawin mo siyang secondary axis pero line siya. Tapos yung isa mo naman, column siya para mas maganda siya tignan pag pinresent mo. So that's basically how chart works. I hope meron kayong na natutunan sa paggawa ng graph and the rest of the topics na na-discuss. May time pa ba tayo, Coach, for pivot?
Mga 3 minutes. Ano lang, mabilis lang na discussion siguro. Sige lang.
Bitin na bitin. Okay, sige. I'll do my best. Pivot table, guys, summarizes your data. Kanina, I'll just make it quick and fast and informative para sa ating madlang viewers. Okay. Ito yung data entry mo. The best way to present or summarize that is by using a pivot table. Hindi ko na mabasahin yung pivot table description. Pero you can you can always have your data like this, data entry, type mo lahat ng information na kailangan mo. Let's just say 10,000 lines, 10,000 lines yan. But again, you need to summarize your data. How do you do that? It's with the aid of pivot table. So ito ang data mo, ito ang goal mo. Gusto ko malaman ang sum ng binili ko or lahat ng ginastos ko for beer. So how do you do that? Ipipivot natin to ha. Okay, right click. Ay, ito na pala yung pivot. Nakakainis naman. Okay, how do you do your pivot? Insert pivot table. Select niya lang to lahat and then you create your own pivot by since we're kind of running out of time. You can actually do it in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. If you're wanted to put it in an existing worksheet, you just click on location. Dito na lang tayo. Pero actually yun na yun sa baba. Kukopilin lang natin. Pag kinlik mo yon, maglalabas yan. And then, you will have a table or like a pop-up on the right-hand side wherein you can drag your information. Ito yan eh. Ito din yan lahat. So, just to copy this, yung beer, soda, and wine are product. Nakakategorize to siya. Dadrag mo lang to going here. So, your product, you drag, actually, kinlik ko lang ngayon, napunta na siya sa rows. And then, you click on amount. Drag mo lang yung amount here. There you go. So, that's your pivot. So, that's how simple it is. So, parang sinamarize niya yung data mo. See? So, kumbaga, that's one way of creating or looking at it ng hindi on a smaller and compact na version. Unlike kung ang dami-dami mo nang tinype dito, 'di ba? Ang dami-dami mo nang tinype diyan, medyo nakakahilo na kahit mag-sum ka, mas maganda pa rin siya nakasummarize siya na ganito. So that's how your pivot works. Yun. So, ito na lang, sige. Kaya pa naman yata ng time. Create a pivot table. Okay. Okay, sorry. Insert, pivot table. Sinelect nyo na yan. C42. Dito na lang tayo sa baba. So we're trying to create a pivot table out of this data also. And then, ayun, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, mag-open lang siya ng parang pop-up window on the right-hand side. And then, you drag your product here. And, ayun na pala yun, nagawa na pala natin. Yun lang yun. Actually, it's actually the same. We just summarize everything. So this is your total for your for this particular data. So ayun, I think I'm gonna end there just for the basic of the pivot. Actually, ang dami pang pwedeng i-discuss about pivot table kasi you can have more than one column. Like dito, sum of amount lang yung nakita natin eh. But there's a lot more na pwedeng gawin sa pivot table. This is just like a parang tip of the iceberg in creating your pivot table. So, ayun. So, I hope you learned something. Let us know kung ano yung pinaka-favorite na feature nyo on this topic, kung ano yung parang mas na-enjoy kayo matutunan. I hope na tuwa kayo sa charts and graphs. Those are my favorites kasi. So, ayun guys. Thanks for your time and I hope you learned something new today. Nauhaw ako dun. Ba't nawala ng audio, Jeannie? I can't hear you. I can't.
Ay, sorry. Ayun. Nakamute pa pala.
O nga, ayun o, sabi ni Coach, okay pa ba kayo? Do you have any questions, violent reactions? So I hope it's very helpful. Like what Coach Rock said, I think you can get a copy of the file and you can start going through the samples and learn it on your own pace. Yes. Alam ko, iba tayo ng pacing. So, yun, give it a try.
Yeah. Basta, fill out the form para makakuha nung, tama no coach, para makakuha nung copy nung ginamit na file today.
Yes. Or if you guys have a Microsoft Office 365, you guys can also download the file. I-click nyo lang yung, di ba, merong new, tapos nandun na yung mga tutorial files, which is yun din yung ginamit namin kanina sa demo. Ayan, sorry, hiningal ako. Galing ako sa baba. Wala naman tayong questions na hindi pa nasasagot. Guys, did we miss any of your questions? I think yung question lang kanina yung sa data validation, which is a bit advanced na. So, sinend ko na lang yung tutorial natin sa dynamic data validation. Pala. Yes. Meron pa ba, Jean, na question for kanina?
Wala naman.
Pwede pa natin i-address or I can quickly answer.
Ito, I'm trying to backtrack.
Wala naman ako nakitang bago. Na ano.
Tahimik sila. Bakit ang tahimik nyo?
Yung kanina lang na transpose, no? Yung question na transpose na merong nawawalang isang cell or part. Ayan. So, we're not really sure what's happening doon sa ganong process. So, you guys can send us a copy of the video, yung process na ginagawa ninyo. We will be emailing you guys the Excel file para pwede kayong mag-practice. Yung mga diniscuss ni Jen and ni Jean, basically super easy to use naman yan. Meron naman siya instructions na pwedeng i-follow dun sa left side. Tapos more on advanced feature na rin. Available yan sa any versions, right ladies?
Yes.
Yung mga features na yun.
Covered yan. 2013 as far back as 2013 version, doon sa iba na walang 365 or 2019. Yeah.
Pwede
those
naman.
Yep.
Ayun guys. So just keep practicing si Excel kasi kapag hindi mo siya pinapractice, hindi mo talaga siya makakabisado or hindi ka
True.
medyo sensitive kasi sa Excel when it comes to navigation. Pag mali yung pagkakadrag mo, pag mali yung na-click mo, ang dami nang nagkaganap, no? Minsan panic mode na tayo kaagad. So, thank you guys so much. And thank you, Jen and Jeannie, for sharing yung mga basic topics for actually, yung iba doon parang average level na di ba? Yung analyze and charting.
Yes, so
Oo.
ako na-surprise din ako eh. Hindi ko kasi masyadong ginagamit yun. May ganun na pala si Excel. Parang it's really making everyone's lives easier. Kasi andyan na siya lahat. I-click-click nyo na lang.
Yes. Office 365 kasi yun yung pinaka-latest na version ng Excel. Kaya may mga bagong labas na features. Advanced features pero easy to use features that you guys
Yes.
can use
Dami,
para
oo.
mapadali. In-automate na lahat like what Jen mentioned.
Oo.
In-automatic
Yes.
na lahat ng Excel for us. Kagaya nung Excel table, ayan, favorite natin yan kasi, di ba, meron siyang
Dali.
easy nomenclature, auto-format, nag-auto-fill siya. So, dapat guys, ginagamit nyo talaga yung mga advanced features na yan. Mamimiss nyo kasi if you're not upgrading your Excel versions eh. So, try to do
Oo.
something para magkaroon kayo ng latest na Excel versions. Ayun. Ladies, any final tips for our viewers?
Same as what our tagline is, never stop learning.
Yes.
Always, even kami na matagal na din na nag-freelance, we still, parang nagbabangko kami ng knowledge every time. Kasi hindi talaga siya nauubos eh. Kumbaga kung 100% si Excel, feeling ko parang 20%, 30% pa rin yung hindi ko alam na features niya. Ang dami-dami pa. So yun lang, keep
Dami pa.
keep interested and keep the fire burning with your passion kay Excel and you will benefit from it one way or another, believe me. So yun lang siguro yung ma-impart ko for today.
Thank you, Jen. Jean?
Sure.
Yeah, same with Jen, yung ating tagline, never stop learning. Kasi hindi talaga eh. Kaya ako nag-join. Sumama ako kay Coach Roxy kasi sabi ko nga, nag-stop ako mag-work. Housewife ako for 5 years, ganon. Pero kasi kahit yung kinuwento rin ni Jen, everyday life, yung mga grocery, lahat ng expenses, ginamit ko pa rin Excel kasi alam ko na mapupurol ako pag hindi ako gumamit.
Oo.
Yung mga nag-homeschool pala, kailangan yan, no?
Exactly. Mga mommies, baka sila na nga maging honor sa graduation.
Diba? Matulungan niyo. Yes, so never stop learning talaga. Always. Andiyan naman si Google eh. Pwede naman search. Mas madali na ngayon, unlike dati. Diba? Ang hirap eh, magtatanong ka pa. Saan? Makakilala mo. Alam mo to. Yan. Ngayon hindi, Google na lang ang katapat mo.
May ano pa nun, di ba? Excel for Dummies. Meron pang ganun libro.
Yes.
Yun, no. Hindi ko naman binata. Ang kapal eh.
Oo nga. Diba?
Hindi ko pa natatawa siya. I'll see you guys again next month. So every month, meron tayong Excel Literacy 101 training. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jen and Jeannie. Ingat kayo. Stay safe, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye to
Stay safe,
everyone.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Alrighty, bye.